In this video, you'll learn how to stop email notifications on Indeed so your inbox only gets the messages you actually care about. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by constant job alerts, recommendations, and updates, this quick walkthrough will help you take control and customize what you receive. First, let's start by getting to the right place in your account. Go ahead and sign in to your Indeed account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, look for your account menu, usually at the top of the page. This is where you'll find your personal settings and preferences. From here, you want to go into your account settings. This section controls how your profile, privacy, and notifications are set up. After you open your account settings, the next area to look for is communication settings. This is the part of your account where Indeed manages how they contact you, whether it's by email, app notifications, or sometimes even text. Click into communication settings to see all the options related specifically to messages and alerts. Inside communication settings, you'll find a section called email settings. This is where you can really customize your experience. Open email settings, and you should see a list of different types of emails Indeed sends you. These often include job alerts, recommended jobs based on your resume, company updates, and other notifications related to your applications and saved searches. Now, the key step is to turn off the notifications you no longer want. Take a moment to scan through the list and think about which emails are actually useful to you and which ones just create clutter. For example, you might want to keep important updates about your job applications but turn off marketing emails or general recommendations you never read. Most of these settings will appear as toggles or checkboxes. To stop a specific type of email, simply switch the toggle off or uncheck the box next to that category. As you make changes, be deliberate. You don't have to turn off everything. You're just tailoring the experience so it works better for you. If you're actively job searching, you might keep daily or weekly job alerts. If you're not currently looking, you might turn most things off for now, knowing that you can always come back later and turn them back on. Once you've adjusted all the email types to match your preferences, the last step is to save your changes. Look for a save or apply button, usually at the bottom or top of the settings page. Click it to confirm your new email preferences. This step is important because if you close the page without saving, your changes won't take effect. After saving, it may take a little time for the changes to fully update, so you might still receive a few emails that were already queued. However, going forward, you should notice a clear reduction in the types of messages you turned off. That's all it takes. By going into your account settings, opening communication settings, adjusting your email settings, and then saving your changes, you've taken control of your Indeed email notifications and created a cleaner, more focused inbox.